What is up, guys? I got another short little video for you guys today. Today we're talking about my intercooler setup and what I'm going to be changing it to, as well as I have a few other things that are coming for my Mazda Speed 6 that will finally kind of clean up the car. So let's get to today's video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a picture of the intercooler on my phone. And so if you can see right here, it has the two intercooler ports, the inlet and the outlet, on the side versus on the top. So if you can see on my car, I have one right here and the other inlet right there. So what I'm going to be switching to is an intercooler that has both ports actually on this right side. So they're both going to be right here. And so what's going to happen is, instead of the turbo routing the intercooler up this way, I'm going to be clocking the entire turbo, this whole turbo itself. And so I'm going to be spinning the housing down. So this port right here, that is what starts for the intercooler. Basically this is going to be facing down, and it's going to be down below back there. A few things will have to move, like the external wastegate, and they'll change positions. Like this will probably route slightly different, but basically the turbo is going to route down this way, and then my intercooler piping is going to come out down below like this, and then it'll come straight. It'll make a 90-degree bend and come straight down and come in line with this one. And so it's gonna run basically straight down like that and connect to the top port, and then this bottom port is gonna be rerouted, and it's gonna go from here all the way over, down, all the way down through a hole right there. And then it's kind of hard to see, but basically it'll go down through the bottom through one of the usual holes, that hole right there. That's where the intercooler piping is going to go down for the intake manifold side. So it's going to go down below, and so the top port will be for the cold side. It'll be, so this pipe right here will connect to the top port about where this one is, and then this side, the cold side, is going to be connected right down here. So if you could imagine, the intercooler is going to have both ports on that side, and then it'll clean up my whole engine bay. So this pipe will be removed and will be hidden and tucked kind of down there. So the whole plan is just to try to clean up the engine bay as much as possible, because you know that I just really want a clean engine bay. Alright guys, I hope you like today's video. Sorry it was a little bit shorter, but I have a bunch of parts coming in for my car. As you know, I have that eBay intercooler and the intercooler piping, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to redo intercooler piping and make it more professional now that I've learned how to do it a little bit better than my previous attempts. But I also finally got a new grill in, so this portion right here that is all cut out and stuff, I finally got a new grill, so I will be installing that and replacing it and making the car look a little bit better. And then I also have the holes that are finally probably going to get fixed. Those holes are probably going to get fixed this weekend, and we're gonna be putting hood vents there so that we can clean up those holes and also make it look good again. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.